In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make documents in WPS Office. Whether you're using an iOS or Android device, WPS Office makes it simple to create professional and well-organized documents right from your smartphone or tablet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to start a document, format it, and save it efficiently. To begin, open the WPS Office app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, you will see your recent files along with a large blue Create button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap this button to start a new document. You'll then see options for creating various file types, including doc, PPT, XLS, PDF, resume, and TXT. For a standard text document, select Doc. After choosing Doc, you can either start with a blank document or select from one of the available pre-designed templates. Templates are especially helpful if you want a polished layout for resumes, reports, or letters. If you prefer to create your document from scratch, tap Blank Document, and a new page will open, ready for your content. On mobile, the toolbar is conveniently placed at the bottom of the screen, giving you easy access to all formatting and editing tools. Here, you can format your text, insert images, add tables, or even include charts. To make headings stand out, highlight the text and choose a style such as Heading 1 or Heading 2. You can also adjust the font type, size, color, and apply formatting like bold, italics, or underline. These features help make your document organized, readable, and visually appealing. Once your content is complete, it is crucial to save your document. Tap the menu icon or select the Save icon at the top. Select a location on your device, give your document a name, and pick the file format you prefer. WPS Office supports DocX, PDF, and other formats, allowing you to easily share your work across different devices and apps. Once done, choose Save. Finally, explore additional tools such as spell check, word count, and formatting options to polish your document. WPS Office on mobile is intuitive and user-friendly, enabling you to create high-quality documents efficiently, whether you are at home, at work, or on the go. That concludes today's guide on making documents in WPS Office on iOS or Android. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.